Have you ever seen something so amazing that you couldn't believe your eyes? Long, long ago, Allah showed the world incredible miracles through his messenger, Prophet Musa. Let me tell you about the most wonderful things that happened. One day, Musa held a simple wooden staff in his hand. But this was no ordinary stick. When Allah commanded, something magical happened. The staff began to glow and shimmer, and right before everyone's eyes, it transformed into a mighty serpent. Can you imagine? A walking stick turning into a living creature. This showed everyone that Allah's power is beyond anything we can imagine. But the most famous miracle was yet to come. Musa and his people reached the edge of a huge sea, with nowhere to go. They were scared and didn't know what to do. Then Musa raised his staff toward the water, and the most incredible thing happened. The sea began to split right down the middle. Giant walls of water stood tall on both sides, and a dry path appeared through the center. The people walked safely across on dry ground, protected by Allah's mighty power. After crossing the sea, the people traveled through the hot, dry desert. They were so thirsty. There was no water anywhere. Musa struck a rock with his staff, and guess what? Fresh, cool water began flowing out of the solid rock. 12 springs burst forth, giving everyone plenty to drink. Allah always takes care of those who believe in him. The people were also hungry in the desert. There were no shops or farms. But every morning, something wonderful appeared. Sweet, delicious food called manna came down from the sky like dew, covering the ground. And in the evening, birds called quail flew down so the people could eat. Allah sent food from the heavens. Musa was also given another amazing sign. When he placed his hand close to his heart and then brought it out, it shone with a brilliant, pure white light. It was so bright and beautiful, like holding a piece of the sun. This light showed everyone that Musa was truly Allah's messenger. When Musa went to speak to a king who was being unkind to people, Allah sent signs to show his power. Swarms of locusts filled the sky, darkness covered the land, and other amazing events happened. These were messages from Allah showing that He is the most powerful.